Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change Copilot language step by step. This works the same way whether you're using the web version or the Windows 11 app. First, open Microsoft Copilot. If you're on the web, head to copilot.microsoft.com. If you're on Windows 11, open the Copilot app from your Start menu. Once it loads, you'll see the Copilot interface with the chat window. Next, make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, click the account button in the sidebar and sign in. You'll see your profile appear once you're logged in. Signing in is important because it lets your language settings sync across all your devices. Now, click Preferences on the left side of the screen. You'll see it in the left sidebar. When you click it, the Preferences panel opens up showing your language and other settings options. In the Preferences panel, find the Language drop-down menu, click on it, and you'll see a list of all the supported languages. Scroll through and select the language you want Copilot to use. As soon as you select it, the web version applies the change immediately. If you're using the Copilot app on Windows 11, there's one more step. After you select your new language, a restart button appears in the app. Click Restart to apply the change. The app will close and reopen with your new language displayed. The web version doesn't need this restart, it switches right away. A couple of quick things to know. The display language you just changed is what Copilot uses for all its menus, buttons, and text. But Copilot can still understand and respond in other languages when you type or speak to it. The display language and the conversation language are separate things. Because you're signed in, this language setting will carry over to any other device where you use Copilot with the same account. And even if you pick a language that isn't officially supported, Copilot will still try to generate responses in that language. If you ever want to change the voice language for voice conversations, that's a separate setting also in Preferences. Just look for voice language in the same menu. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.